What's going on, guys? Jack here, and today we're back for a pretty awesome video. This video I've been waiting to release for quite a while, but because it is a 30-day challenge, it did take 30 days to complete, as you might have guessed. And the video is going to be on Etsy ads. And I did try Etsy ads before, but never for really a long period of time. So over the last 30 days I have used Etsy ads, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience on Etsy ads and how it went for me. Alright, so the first thing I want to take a look at is my last 30-day stats without any of the ads taken into account. So as you can see, I have made 4 orders in the past 30 days, not a whole lot, but almost 2,000 views to my listings and 1,200 total visits, which is a lot of people. And I think a lot of these would have came from ads, a lot of these wouldn't have came from ads. We're going to take a look at that in a sec. $100 in revenue this month, so not bad for 30 days, especially in January. And now let's take a look at which portion of this was really directed from ads. Alright, so taking a look at this right now, I'm going to have to move my camera, and we're going to see that pretty much, if I'm in the top right, you can see everything. Well, if you look, Etsy ads did not do that much in reality compared to direct and other traffic, search, apps, and marketing SEO. Etsy ads really wasn't a huge amount. It was a good portion, but $3 a day on all of my listings for pretty much the full 30 days is a lot of money just to get this much traffic. However, there is a reason why I did do Etsy ads, and it wasn't just to drive sales, it was to test out Etsy ads in general. And also, I think that if I have Etsy ads on, I have a lot higher chance of people adding to cart, favoriting, and actually seeing my listings. And if they favorite or add to cart, even if they don't buy, my listing is gonna basically rank organically higher after I turn the ads off, and it gives my listing better chances to be seen in the long run, even if I turn ads off after the 30-day period. So now that we've seen all the ads and how much traffic actually the ads brought, let's go take a look at the ad spend and the actual Etsy ad stats. So last 30 days, you're going to see at the top, it does say advertising one listing with a $3 budget a day. I actually just changed that today. I basically just put it on one single listing that has been selling. And instead of my 430 listings, I put it to one. Going to test that out as well. Probably make a separate video on that. But Etsy ads, I did have them $3 a day, 430 listings. So a lot of different listings were getting clicks. A lot of my budget was spent on kind of a bunch of different things every day. Not sure if that was the most effective way to do it. It probably wasn't. And looking back at it, I definitely would rather target, especially with the $3 budget, I'd rather target specific listings that I know are already working, kind of double down and build up the listings that are working, rather than just kind of throwing ads at every single listing. I think that's not a very good approach. Now that I've realized that, I'm going to be using my Etsy ads budget if I do continue to enable Etsy ads on just 1 or 2 listings, or just listings that are actually selling and have sold even without ads. Now to look at the orders from the ads. In the past 30 days, I made 1 order from an ad, and with a $20 revenue, and I have spent $86 on ads in the past 30 days. It is not the nicest hit, and that $20 is not all profit, so it's about maybe $10 profit, if that, probably $7, $6 profit. So not the craziest conversion rates on my ad spend. About $80 not down the drain, but $80 I spent without actually getting anything back this month. However, I have built my organic rank on some of my listings, which is pretty good, and I got to test things, right? I got to test things for myself, and you learn a lot better when you do test things for yourself, because the lessons that you learn a lot more like strong. In this case, I lost $80, so I should probably look, how can this be used in a profitable way? And in my opinion, the way that it can be used in a profitable way is to focus on the listings that are already working. Don't use Etsy ads as much to figure out, which listings can work. Drive your SEO to make some sales, then double down with ads on those SEO based sales. Now let's take a look at the ad views. So ad views are pretty all over the place, because basically every time someone clicks on a ad, so if it has a higher ad views, it probably has more clicks because the clicks cost less. So if we go to January 13th, 4,000 ad views, and the clicks for January 13th, 15 clicks. Okay, I was wrong. However, if no one clicks on the listings till the very end of the day, then my ads are still running and the budget isn't spent, so they will continue to show, and an ad view is still counting. It's like an impression, really. It's not really a view. An ad view is just someone when they scroll past it. So ad views, almost 70,000 people scroll past my listings, and then ad clicks, 352 people clicked on the actual ads, and those 352 clicks cost me $87. Actually, today is the first day where I haven't even got close to spending my budget yet. That is because I only have my ads on one listing, and that's another benefit of basically targeting listings, is that you might not even spend your whole budget that day. But when I have 430 listings, there's like 100% guarantee that my budget's going to be gone within the first pretty much 13 to 15 hours of the day. Something I do want to mention is that last year in December, so the end of the year, I actually did run an ads for a few days, and luckily I did get an order from one of those ads, so that's something to mention. I basically ran ads for just a few days. I think it was like 10 days, but I wanted to run it for 30 days straight because I did turn it off at the end of December, and I only ran it for about 10 days straight at the beginning of December. So I did make an ad sale from that, and I did make revenue from that, so the conversion rate from December was looking pretty good. But I think going into January, it was a kind of biased month because January is a slow month and not many people are willing to buy. So the testing of Etsy ads for 30 days in January, probably not the best results or the most accurate for every single month going forward. However, I think it still taught a valuable lesson that you should definitely focus your ads on not just all 400 of your listings with a $3 budget, but 1 or 2 listings that are already selling, and listings that they will actually convert. But I did build up some organic ranks, so that's good too. However, I do think now that I know this, I'm going to be continuing to spend my budget on fewer listings and really just doubling down on what's working. So at the end of my Etsy ads and the revenue, everything calculated out for all the fees, I'm down about, as you can see here, 18, or I don't even want to, my brain cannot work right now, $15. And that's not that bad, but you also have to keep in mind that the sales and credit on the left hand side, a lot of that is not all profit because I did have to spend the money to manufacture the shirts that I'm actually shipping out. But still, on Etsy side of things, $15 that I'm going to have to basically pay to Etsy because my sales did not cover all my Etsy fees. However, I think this is still really good. I think this is still a good lesson, and I'm glad I got to test this out. I'm glad I got to make a video on it. I think a lot of people don't make full videos on their 30 days. I could have made a video each day going through, oh, today I got 40 clicks, today I got 20 clicks, but I think this is also a very quick way to see, do Etsy ads work? Do I want to do them? How am I going to approach Etsy ads to actually make them work and not just drain my wallet? Because the way I did it probably will drain your wallet, especially if you're new to Etsy. Definitely recommend just focus on 1 or 2 listings, right? You can do a $1 a day budget on 1 listing, and if that listing is sold before, you're going to get more add to carts, more favorites, and more conversions on that listing. And then even when you turn the ads off, you've already established your listing a bit in the rank of whatever it's ranking for, whatever niche. And I think that's also equally as effective. So you don't have to keep running ads and ads and ads if you don't want to, if you don't have the money, if it's not working. But you can build something that actually is worth it. Even though you're spending money and you're not getting direct returns back, you can kind of build your shop up and build your listings up to rank higher, which is going to in the long run convert for more sales. All in all, do I think Etsy ads are the best way to go when you want to build your Etsy account? And should you spam them on every single listing? Probably not. But I think it is a valuable lesson that I've learned here that Etsy ads actually do work when you basically target less listings, so less quantity of listings, and you can really get down to what's working rather than just kind of sending your ads all over the place. And I'm glad I got to make this video for you guys because I really do actually have a lot of fun showing you like 30-day results. I think those are really interesting to watch too. I definitely enjoy watching them, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it to this point of the video, please consider smashing the like button. And if you want to let me know that you made it to this point of the video and you also considered smashing the like button, then please comment down below ad spend, right? Ad spend, however you want to spell that and space that. I don't exactly know, but you do it however you want. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great freaking day. Stay blessed, keep striving, chase your dreams, never give up. And it's been your friend Jack. I'll see you guys in the next video.